Let's see how this works with a simple text compression widget. This widget lets you experiment with compressing text. You want to represent the original text with as few bytes as possible. The widget lets you try compressing different ways and see it as it happens. Let's see how it works. The widget shows you some text to compress. In this example, lyrics to one of Aloe Black's songs. In the dictionary area, you can type patterns you see in the text. For now, let's just look for words that repeat. As you type in the dictionary area, a single symbol will be substituted in the main text area. In the example here, you can see each occurrence of the words I was has been replaced with a symbol of a sun, and I'm has been replaced with an umbrella. If you sent the compressed version of the lyrics to someone, you'd also have to send along the dictionary so that they could reconstruct the original text. So the question is the total number of bytes in the compressed text plus the bytes in the dictionary less than the number of bytes in the original text? The answer is yes for our current example, and the widget shows you how it's calculated. We assume that every character that needs to be sent takes 1 byte. So the display shows the compressed version of the lyrics with the symbols substituted in it has 216 bytes, or characters. It also shows the number of bytes in the dictionary as 10. This is to store the words I was and I'm, also the symbols that represent those patterns. This gives us a total of 226 bytes. We can see that the original text had 240 characters, or bytes, so we've reduced the bytes needed to represent the poem by 14 bytes, or 5.8%. Not a bad start. Looking for words that repeat is a good start, but you can look for other patterns. Sometimes a repeating pattern could be a subpart of a word or many words. Here's where it really gets cool. You can find patterns that include dictionary symbols you just made. For example, we've replaced words I was with a sun symbol, but now you can also see that a new pattern, didn't know, sun symbol, lost. You can type this in the dictionary too. As a side note, to enter the sun symbol, you need to copy and paste it, unless your keyboard has a sun on it. With that little change, we're now up to 26% compression. Try it yourself and see if you can do better.